Michael was blowing things there.
Oh.
Want me to help?
Don't do it that way. Do it through your leg.
Will it work? I'm probably too fat. I won't be able to get it over my
butt. Yeah, you will. Good idea, Bailey.
Thanks, Bailey. You gotta shoot. No, you gotta stand, shoot the corn dogs, and turn towards me so you can see my face. Ow! Hee hee. How are you supposed to get a good shot from 50 miles away, anyways? It's gonna look like crap. Gosh, I can get in here. I bet you I could get in here. Maybe. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. This is craziness. I'm gonna sit right on the ground. Dude, I'm gonna pop the boat with these giant diamonds on the shoes. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Oh, snaps. Nasty. Michael, wake up all the neighbors. Hello? Hello? It doesn't work. Hello? 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 Alright, I'm ready. Listen, everybody. All my neighbors out there. Michael caught a corn dog. Michael caught a corn dog. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Stupid thing. I can't even get in. I'm almost there. I'm almost in. Michael's almost in. I'm almost there. Ah! Oh, that's a really hard one to get there. Oh, excuse me. I shattered my pants there.
Keep going.
I'm done.
Okay.
Stop it there. Turn off the camera there. Michael's embarrassed there.
Moo, are you embarrassed?
Are you embarrassed?
Look at that nasty sock.
Dude, it's disgusting. I'm pretty sure there's like leeches and everything. And look at that.
Oh.
Did I get you? I literally have to get in the shower right now. This week has been through a lot. My hair's a disaster. My hair's a disaster. What the heck? It's a leech. See what I do for these people?
Oh my gosh.
See what I do for my fans out there? I got a leech on me to crawl on there with a mealworm there. I won't eat it for you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel more leeches on there. There's a huge one in there. Oh wait, that's just my corn dog. Oh my gosh, there's something huge moving inside there. What could it be? Oh wait, that's not a leech. It must be something else.